Hey guys, Luke here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your PayPal balance to buy things on Amazon. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. So you've got some PayPal money and you want to spend it by buying something on Amazon. You find a really cool product, you put it in your basket and check out, and then you notice there's no option to pay with PayPal. Now at first this seems strange because why would Amazon not want to use the biggest payment provider on the internet as one of their checkout options? But then if you think about it, it makes sense because Amazon's biggest competitor is eBay, and eBay is owned by PayPal. And that's led to people on the internet trying to find many different ways on how they can use their PayPal money on Amazon. Especially you younger guys who don't particularly have a bank account, it can be really hard to pay with things, and PayPal is something that's there that can allow you to pay for things online without having the need to have a bank account. So of course in this video I'm just going to be showing you one of the many ways that you can use in order to use your PayPal money. So one of the methods I've seen people doing is going onto some sort of gift card buying website and then using their PayPal account balance in order to pay for Amazon gift cards and then redeeming those gift cards on their Amazon account. But I've got a better way that will actually save you money in the long run. If you go onto eBay, you can actually search for Amazon gift cards that way. So we're on ebay.co.uk right now, and if you type in Amazon gift card into the search and then just click search for that one, it's going to load up a number of different results, and you can see here that there's so many different results on here. So you've got 52 Amazon gift cards. There's bound to be constantly new ones refreshed on here, and you've got a £100 Amazon UK gift card for £90 currently with £4 postage. An Amazon gift card here, £10, it's £6 and a penny. You got a £100 Amazon gift card voucher, £92. So you can really save a significant amount of money by using this. And there's always constantly people trying to get rid of their gift cards, and they'll actually be offering them on most chances at a fraction of the price. And of course, because it is on eBay, you're allowed to buy these gift cards with your PayPal balance. Most people will then send the code of the Amazon gift card in an email to you, and then you can apply it to your Amazon account and use it straight away. So there's just one little intuitive tip on how you can use your PayPal money on Amazon. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you liked it, then be sure to hit the like button down below. And as always, if you have any problems, you can always let me know down in the comments. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video.